Increasing the limit in Zelle is very easy to do. Today I'm gonna show you how to do it. Zelle, a person-to-person payment service, typically imposes transaction limits on user accounts for security and fraud prevention. To increase your limit on Zelle, you will need to contact your bank or credit union because Zelle's transaction limits are set by your financial institution, not Zelle directly. So call or visit your bank or credit union where your Zelle account is linked. You will need to speak with a customer service representative or a banking representative who can assist you with increasing your Zelle limit. Explain to the representative that you would like to request an increase in your Zelle transaction limit. They will guide you through the process. The bank will review your request, and if it is approved, they will update your Zelle limits accordingly. The time it takes for approval may vary depending on your bank's policies and processes. Once your request is approved, confirm the new limits with your bank. They will inform you of the revised maximum amount you can send or receive via Zelle. It's important to note that not all banks and credit unions may grant limit increases, and the approval process may vary from one financial institution to another. The increase in your limits will be subject to your bank's discretion and their evaluation of your account history, transaction activity, and other factors.